Evolution 4, Ghana TV GH, make like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Evolution 4, meaning say, most of our NPP lovers are worried at the fact, say, for some time now, no, I say almost all the by-elections, no, NPP lose. And adding to that list, the fact say Ayawaso East by-election SC, NDC won by some 63% per provisional result. Now, you are right to be worried. You are right, say we are alarmed. We are right, say we feel say Nyaman Koyi. But the Bushanfo Ukraine say it is to be expected. It is to be expected. Number one, our defeat, NPP defeat in 2024, a monumental defeat. A trade Nyama Bebre. Now, one of the things I try and say, Ghana for no, yes, I'm paying this year, I'm paying this year. But now I'm say, I'm try NPP lesson. They wanted to teach NPP a lesson. And that is why, on the large scale like that, people decided, say, and that is a good news. Because Senkrofo, and who say, NDC any alternative no, but NPP for no, even though omobo modern no, nama ba kumyenu bi, ye catch from more monti, yen chro less na yesa ebra back later. Good news because politically you don't have to go and convince, do a lot of convincing. They will come back by themselves. And then number one. Number two, they say the numbers, as we've seen in 2024. And him say nipa beye over 1.5 million be anka identify with NPP. Because sometimes distance conform Saturday Adventist and all. And that is also a factor to consider. Now, Ayawaso East election, no, we must remember, say, number one, the seat no, for NDC. Very important. Ayawaso East seat no, for NDC. And when you are going into those things now, it matters. Say substantive, no. Nipa na otena kunyane so ansa na ebia owu ya na say or resign ye no. Now belonging to party ben. It is most important when determining. Now one thing I say so look at me say per records I no. The highest margin are NDC di winning sa Ayawaso is air by 70%. 70%. Ena ye papa Musa Dankwa nso project here be say NDC be winning by some 75%. Now, 75% NDC and Timmy winning 63%. It shows say NPP is gradually making gains. And with those gains, no, NDC or more having inroad issues, internal conflict. What make okay say nipa ba ko every omuntema or stand independent. On also nya votes pa. That's it. I believe that they didn't have enough time to campaign and amass votes. If they had time enough, if that guy had enough time, Abian can pick bit flip it no. It's a good air sign towards 2028. If maybe NPP decided to say Nipa or call this time around, no, even maintain this Nipa no, now your man Nipa no start to say oh yeah campaign from now, according to 2028, so Nima sit me and bet me flip it. And don't be worried about these isolated cases. Akwitia, with make us na NPP, etina so. But NPP etina so, but NDC for no can. Unlike yen NPP for I believe say elections, no, people would reward you for your good works. That has been the ideology of the NPP. So, oh, once I is free senior high school, once I win, go for better abamaye. NDC does not believe in that. NDC believes in keeping the people in poverty. And then when the election is coming, give them small money. And in the happiness of that money they have gotten, in the happiness of that, if they are swimming machine, and I say, hey, how do we call that one? Sewing machine, hair dryer. If that happiness, we're going to vote for NDC. And see, all those dynamics play a role in the outcome of by-elections. One thing is sure, and it's Ghanaians are patiently waiting for 2028. Only for break aside, what you say, they don't want to talk. Ghanaians don't want to talk right now. They are quietly and patiently waiting for 2028 to rectify a mistake on here. Because people feel say your mama, His Excellency, is just governing the country on pledges as a still a campaign. But we a campaign there. We a campaign there cry. Now why your man penny as well in a minor to me national son. Still laughing outside a campaign, year pledges. Now place here the heading. In fact, pledges no enye hwee. Ghanaians are ready for what is to come in 2028. And what is to come is NPP is going to win massively parliamentary. Massively. And I know the kind of work that is being done internally or your party and on the grounds. That is why anything I make us say NPP be winning massively. 2020 parliamentary. Presidential also, from the look of things, as it stands now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is way ahead of anybody here NDC will want to bring. And see, NDC for they can go ahead and still pay as for and all those things. I think that this time around NPP is becoming more strategic. And elections are one with strategy. That is the most important. For example, channel our studio project, 25,000 Ghana cedis, is the total money needed for our studio project in whole. 25,000 Ghana cedis, I think $2,400 or $2,300. Baba Kukrabet Miatia. Can they help support us? We want to build a beautiful studio for you. I will share videos now. I talk camera and so. Camera, I need app production. There's a beautiful conversation app next. Don't go anywhere. I'll see the next one. Cheers.
Ama ewo ne de ti ase ewo pa o ti ase nzunu awu hwe ma mi se nsem na doso ama yese mi hu ba bi kura me fan sha ase free ba me sha ase free blaster for no so ama me say NDC for ba power no chere me one sector as kedi dream enko so onum me say new one cry na mkwan so baba mpese me investigation na me nya solid Sam George won de ebobo ba won na kachi no na me say den obe na fun na afumpu no obe na adwen say oba be defending ho mame starting free blaster for no so wo hwe sika a da wo screen so ama asefe maro ho se ebuse e wo se nti Ghana e wo saska we se nyina e be invest wo blaster mu enso ye ntimi ntua football cocoa farmers ka ye ntimi ntua adwumayefo ka ese dwadifo kodwa no musu dwadifo ese se wo gya wo ma ofie akwa akodi pa aba question abusa ho ba akopɛ ti mi ko emesa aba na mensa ama mesa aba anase mensa ama oman na etimu no sisi yenye safe biem si etimi anya saska we yemusi an say den na blaster for no mukwa akwa America na ye host to ade no ho na nkasa na skase no mo de kɔ America na ye host to ball ni ball is omo no mugina akono say as to say ball na beba so say ma so minu mienu ye nim enso Ghana for yetimi agya bibia guonum etimi aye budget ama blaster because say ye nim ska on bedi wo munti no Kofi Adams aye nani alukumi said you all share to him akenkan nsu okura yede ye nsa na egutu am no ojani pem na okasa aso oda okasa ya hwe na no soro na aso tafre tofe ho Inti oman ba ko ye wo mu NDC aye na adwen se che so no de oba entro krono awudie ina wo mutirim awudie na wo mutirim ene ye mu se ye local league na ye bono skase ne invest wo ene obi bokotoko obi bo has o winning man of the match ani amanu so di na iron anase ebe man no electric iron any rice cooker any rice cooker blaster for you omo kwakọ kobo match yi kiremi nipa o se afini nyina no sa sika na eda wo screen so no o make more than sa sika na eda wo so kudus mu ni ade no omo nim sika omo make even just a week obi ti say Thomas Partey is making over 220,000 per week every week bi sa sika na o make emo browa for wo man nim ene modern Ghana ye ko 68 years ama enkwala twa nsuo ansa no makọ school dem akọ akusua ade enkwada twa nsuo ansa no makọ school dem akusua ade oman be 19 panifo no omodwen omo ho kane ansa no madwen kwala e wo oman nim no ho ene kokurokuro bi so kohwe enkwala kura nya nsuo no manom kohwe enkwala omo yale a omo hia medical attention ni ade ntimi nya sika mfamfande omo omo nya insurance omo nyere enya yaresa ensu atam sa sika twitwi die we sei what time ska we say o di aye budget ama World Cup for na nu betena so say Akufo-Addo Africa all African games here no mo aye hwan na mo ba be committee na mo investigation o dom hama oba ye stadiums dodo sen na atimisi wo man Ghana mu stadium dodo sen ina atimisi wo man Ghana mu eya na ye dwen wa ye ntiase obenya kwase bi o NDC mo ba be ka choose dollar aba from dollar na aba from no sukra ama make us say fake dollar ye horo kra ohun bi da and to instance say ni instrument for no e ka jimisem ni nti no onu su be di echa ba be ka jimisem ni bi nti enkosi da ben ina Ghana for ye be me ania bie ni ame ania da ho ni hu se NDC party na wo no National Demonic Congress party na wo ho no omu ni ne pa bia ma o man Ghana ena na akua ka no nyankopon be share John Dramani Mahama mu emo no ate ne hoto ogina simpie ni apaso a eniemo de ba be ye Ghana fo nyina o ka kire Ghana fo ensu ye ntie yakuru dokuno
Minchwa wano sisi a manya email sisi fuel price kosro intino beto fuel mu next week mo expect se Ghana beto monsoon Ghana fuel nyina be kosro
oh kameba o
Ghana fuel
kameba o
ye wie kanewu we a your next topic and it has to do with that into the manen fa na nunsi na yen koran ni we na me introduce the next topic why
miti plane mu ndima memfa ma no lande
I for no land
fuel na musi Raymond Acha se den wa gisen 6 million Ghana cedi hey Raymond Acha
na kwesi botwesi on fa information no recovery information from brown
ode yemfa kwesi botwe nsi nchen me ba ma na hwe attorney general sika sen ya spend o OSP so sika ya spend o special kwesi Peter so nko ano esu sin sika wa recover ama oman no
special dey
kwesi Peter ne sen asa amokua ne sen asa amokua ni patantan bi sa no na enyo oman Ghana ina sebe etoda ya adwen no me ama hwe da bia me kan say me say omo from say elect and say omo ko school wo man nim no omo jimi kura cha omo nko school da ampo omo jimi cha omo nsi school da mu da because there bio kamanin to asun o te kasapen o horo bode dwo ho ansa na dia to jem enya aduane adi omo mu de condition mu to sepre onzo wayo onasi chele no onasi fin se de oguru duase enzo to sepre ene ba yi okwa akoto aduane a okoto nkane a endra mi hu video bi boy bi se nkane a na akwa ese aduane a wutodi udidi ya na ekom de sa na nkane a na ye eni obi ti se juaka ejan mu ka che Ghana for say see happen yesu for electricity mu de any ready because we are going to pay more than that. We are going to pay more than that. That is what NDC is telling us. Media Madam Oku de ya na me person mechanism because no she's among the living dead. Tiasi wu ne wig. On when say ne wig na ancestral sacrifice ye de yimusuo e won na na pen bi so nti ono anu owu anu aba no owu anu aba nti the wig na ma no one na na ya ajanto a sa mpanifo mienu no na mahu ze IQ e friend IQ no da form se quota e bi ni omutrim ana e se governance no e joke on amemu yemu man no ka se ya aguro die te da se abrawa no ma mo kra so no mo kọ masa Ghana yen fama NDC work and pay o Ghana yen fama NDC work and pay na me dem akame say by August ending de no man no aka ntatia no ko mo be fidi onipa no so because mo anya aduane ani mo na mo awu mo aduane Ghana be sere Ghana e be sere rough NDC for the almost the mo yen do mo humu mo ko so rante mo rante the more you rant the more they become popular. The mama from Manunsi na because me ko so anhwa okra obeje ode
by August ye nyina ye tiase ye nyanwu ye nwu ye betena se ne akerade nyuma pa akire ye nyanwu ye bedi yankwa na nyina ame ye kom na